XRP stabilizes after early dip, traders eye $2.40 breakout. The move came amid renewed U.S.China tariff fears and cautious positioning ahead of next week's SEC deadlines for spot XRP ETFs. XRP traded defensively but held key supports Friday, recovering from an early dip to $2.19 as institutional buyers absorbed selling pressure. The move came amid renewed U.S.China tariff fears and cautious positioning ahead of next week's SEC deadlines for spot XRP ETFs. What to know: XRP oscillated between $2.19 and $2.35 over the 24-hour session from October 17, 6 o'clock to October 18, 5 o'clock, a 7% range. Trading volume hit 246.7 M during the 7 o'clock hour, nearly triple the 24-hour average, as sellers capitulated near $2.23. Price recovered from a $2.19 low to settle at $2.33, logging a 1% gain from the session open. Broader crypto market cap dropped 6% to $3.5t as macro tensions and China trade rhetoric spurred risk-off flows. SEC review of 6 pending spot XRP ETF filings continues through October 25, alongside Ripple's planned $1 billion treasury raise. News background: the early session decline mirrored weakness across the digital asset complex as investors reduced exposure ahead of trade-related headlines and ETF deadlines. Despite a sharp morning drawdown from $2.33 to $2.19, XRP stabilized quickly as market depth recovered on strong buy programs. Ripple's $1 billion fundraising initiative for its treasury division bolstered confidence, while analysts framed the move as controlled rotation rather than structural weakness. Price action summary: XRP dropped to $2.19 at 7 o'clock Universal Time coordinated on 246.7 M volume, setting key intraday support. Bulls regained control through mid-session, driving a steady climb to $2.33 to $2.35 resistance. The final 60 minutes, 4:22 to 5:21 Universal Time coordinated, saw a minor flush to $2.32 followed by a rebound to $2.33, plus 1.8%, with 1.69 M in peak. Tick volume: consolidation between $2.32 to $2.34 formed the new short-term base, validating strong absorption near prior lows. Technical analysis: support $2.23 to $2.25 remains the key accumulation zone. Sub-$2.20 exposure continues to attract long interest. Resistance: $2.35 to $2.38 intraday band caps upside. Breakout confirmation needed above $2.40. Volume peak at 246.7 M during selloff. Late hour surges, 1.7 M, signal return of liquidity. Trend: gradual upward bias after morning flush, RSI. Neutral, MACD stabilizing. Structure: short-term consolidation within $2.19 to $2.35 suggests reaccumulation ahead of potential ETF headline catalysts. What traders are watching: ETF approval window, October 18 to 25, and potential market repricing once SEC determinations land. Whether $2.30 holds as base support through weekend trading. Continuation of Ripple's $1 billion treasury raise and potential secondary market implications. Broader risk sentiment as tariff escalation dampens altcoin liquidity. Technical breakout above $2.40 as signal for rotation back toward $2.70 to $3 range.